Now you might be wondering if Wealthy Affiliate actually has an affiliate program, and the answer, surprise, surprise, is yes. Wealthy Affiliate actually has a really good affiliate program where they pay you quite a bit of money recurring per month. So, for example, you can see that they've got the premium and the premium plus subscription. So, if someone signs up using your affiliate link, which by the way you get automatically, if you sign up to Wealthy Affiliate for your free account, you can do that using the link in the description. Then you automatically get added to the affiliate program and you get your own affiliate link as well. So you don't have to apply for it or get accepted. And as you can see, you can make a $23.50 commission every single month recurring if someone you refer ends up upgrading to premium, and then that goes all the way up to $46.50 per month if they get premium plus. So of course the amount varies depending on if they get the yearly billing or the monthly billing. As you can see here, it explains that for you. But yeah, Wealthy Affiliate has a really good affiliate program and you can make quite a bit of money. There are people making literally tens of thousands of dollars in passive recurring income from Wealthy Affiliate alone every single month. If you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. Now, a lot of people get kind of suspicious whenever there's an affiliate marketing course or platform that has an affiliate program of its own, because it kind of sounds like a pyramid scheme, like you sign up just to get other people to sign up. But if you're wondering if you have to promote Wealthy Affiliate once you join to make money, then click this video on your screen and I'm going to explain that.